Critical support, $0.0147 holds the line. Take a look at the 4-hour chart. Jasmy tested $0.0147 3 times just this week. Each pullback found buyers stepping in. That's not random noise. It's a battle line. Higher lows formed at $0.0148, $0.01485, and $0.0149, creating a rising support trend. Combine that with the ascending 50-period moving average converging there, and you have a robust springboard. If Jasmy lets go of $0.0147, watch out, our bullish thesis breaks down. But as long as it holds, we're stacking long positions into strength. Think of this level as your first line of defense, the point where you either reposition aggressively or step back and recalibrate. Key resistance, the $0.0151 breakout zone. Next up is $0.0151, the area where prior highs trailing EMA resistance and an intermediate swing pivot converge. A 4-hour close above $0.0151 signals a structural change, where resistance flips into support. That's the cue many institution-grade algos and retail traders wait for before adding new entries. Watch for a prompt retest. Price rallies above $0.0151, then dips back to confirm it as floor. That retest is your green light to scale in more size, knowing your risk is now at break-even or better. If you're finding clarity in this trade architecture, do me a favor, like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell to support future high-precision setups. Your engagement helps us keep coding these deep dives. Trade setup, entry, stop, and big targets. Let's map out the playbook. Entry zone, $0.015, $0.0151. Buy the breakout or dip and grab within this range. Stop loss, $0.01475. Below our springboard, ensuring a tight risk. Target 1, $0.0154. This aligns with last week's interim high and a cluster of chart resistance. Target 2, $0.01565. A fib retracement of the prior swing, representing tilde 50% of the last down leg. Risk reward is 2, 1 to target 1 and 3, 1 to target 2. Once we lock in target 1, consider moving your stop to break even and letting the rest run. Extended upside, 1.38 fib at $0.0384. For the bold crowd, if Jasmy roars past $0.01565 on volume, zoom out to the weekly chart. The 1.38 Fibonacci extension at $0.0384 intersects prior November pivots and the 200-week MA. Break above that, and you're looking at a 1,650% move from $0.015. That's the kind of asymmetry traders dream about, small risk for massive payday. But remember, patience is key. You may need to hold through multiple consolidation phases to get there. Healthcare news and sentiment shifts. 2 weeks ago, Jasmy spiked 9.7% on news of a blockchain-based cancer treatment partnership. That fizzled when macro selling hit. Yet, price didn't fall back below $0.0147, proving the narrative stuck, even if short-term euphoria faded. As healthcare trials progress, renewed catalysts could reignite interest, giving technical breakouts extra fuel. Indicators to watch. RSI, 4H, hovering around 52, neutral but ready to climb. MACD, 4H, histogram is contracting towards 0. Momentum is about to ping-pong direction. OBV, on-balance volume has been climbing since the last low, more buyers than sellers. Use these as confirmations. When RSI crosses above 60 or MACD lines turn bullish, it strengthens the breakout thesis. Managing emotions and volatility. Crypto moves fast, positions can blow up in minutes. Stick to your stop, don't let FOMO push you into size beyond your risk comfort. If Jasmy whipsaws below $0.0147, respect the setup's failure and re-enter fresh once new structure forms. Discipline wins over desperation. Final takeaway, precision over panic. Here's the bottom line. Jasmy's forged a higher low structure at $0.0147 and now challenges $0.0151. That's our decision point. A clean breakout can drive to $0.01565 and beyond to $0.0384 if the stars align, but without structure, it's just noise. Trading success demands respect for levels, risk control, and patience. If you got value from this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, which target are you hunting, $0.01565 or dreaming of $0.0384? Let's trade smarter together. Next up, join me for a breakdown of last quarter's top healthcare tokens and the setups ready to fire in Q3. You won't want to miss it. This is TJ Crypto World, where clarity cuts through the chaos. Trade smart, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.